Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Differential equations are simple. We will solve this separable equation by integrating both sides to find the function value at pi over 6. First, separate variables by moving y terms left and x terms right. Integrating 1 over 1 plus y yields the natural log of absolute y plus 1. Next, integrate cosine to get sine and add constant c. Using the initial condition f of 0 equals 2, we find the natural log of 3 equals c. Finally, substitute pi over 6 for x. Since sine of pi over 6 is 1/2, y equals 3 times root e minus 1. Well done! Option D is correct. Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust the process and check steps.